Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will share with you how I make this simple and delicious shrimp fried rice. So for this recipe, I used vegetable oil, carrots, pepper, garlic, water, sambal, salt, lemon leaves, tomato paste, mini mais, soy sauce, curry spices, cilantro, smoked paprika, rice, onions, and shrimp. Start with thoroughly washing the rice until the water starts to run clear. Whenever I cook any sort of fried rice, I like to add soy sauce, mainly because of the color, but this is optional. And I also added a lemon leaf just to add some extra flavor. Proceed to cook as usual. So when the rice is done, fluff it out and allow it to cool down. Proceed with cutting the veggies. Heat a skillet over medium to high heat and cook the onions in a little bit of oil. I'm also adding pepper and lemon leaf for their flavors, but this is optional. As long as the pepper stays whole, it will only release its aromas and not the heat of the pepper. Add the garlic. Cook it along for about 2 minutes before adding the sambal and soy sauce. If you cannot get your hands on sambal, you can simply add a little bit of chili powder. Add these spices and tomato paste. And if your sambal and soy sauce are high in salt, which they usually are unless you get a low salt version, you won't have to add any additional salt. Mix it and add some water. Now add the shrimp and cook it in the sauce for about a minute or two. Now add the vegetables and mix it with the sauce. And now it is time to add the rice. And as you can see, it has a beautiful brown color. That's why I like adding the soy sauce. Mix everything together. If you chose to add the pepper, you can take it out at this point together with the lemon leaf. And finally, add the chopped cilantro. And there you have a simple, delicious, and colorful dish. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, you might like one of these two videos. And as always, don't forget to like this video and subscribe. And I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching, guys.